Have you ever wondered why you yawn the second someone else does? Is it magic, or is yawning actually contagious? Scientists believe seeing a yawn is a powerful trigger. It starts a psychological response in your brain, meaning a physical, automatic reaction you just can't stop. But here's the cool part: it's also linked to empathy. Our brains mirror the people around us to connect with them. So if you yawn during this video, it just means you're human. See you next time on Let's Know a Little. If you like this video, remember to hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.